The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Geneva County in southeast Alabama until 1:45 p.m. At 12:38 p.m., the National Weather Service has detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 12 miles northwest of SAMSON to 30 miles southwest of SAMSON, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Other isolated storms were developing ahead of the main line and were showing signs of weak rotation. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Geneva. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety.